Boom shakalaka, the markets are heating up. Today's video, we're going to go over the top 5 altcoins to buy this week to turn $1,000 into $10,000. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're going to show you the top 5 altcoins to buy this week to turn $1,000 into $10,000. Before we get into that, guys, head on over to Twitter. Join us there at the Crypto Love, where every Friday we give away one of these sweet shirts, whether the market goes up, down, sideways, or otherwise. Also, like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Now, how are we going to pick these top 5 altcoins that'll go from $1,000 to $10,000? Well, we're not going to look at the top gainers for the day on CoinMarketCap. As a matter of fact, what we're going to do is use artificial intelligence and machine learning and quantitative easing. That's not it. We want quant grades, quantitative trading strategies to pick out the best indices, the best portfolio of 5 altcoins to outpace the market. And this has been working very good for us. This isn't the first video in the series. You can check out some other videos right here. But already we're outpacing the market by about 10%. This week we actually outpaced the market by about 33%. So we're going to get into that today. Before we do, guys, just a heads up. Everything is starting to look good. It looks like we're breaking out of this white little wedge that we had going in here. It looks like we're breaking out to the upside. I just want to give a word of caution, because if we do top out somewhere, probably somewhere around $40,000 to $45,000, you can see there's resistance or support right here, could be future resistance. If that happens and the price comes back down, that could be cataclysmic for Bitcoin and altcoins. But really, we'll just have to see what happens, because if we look at the volume profile, there's not really any resistance until up around the $50,000 area. That's the big resistance. So we'll kind of have to see how this one pans out. We definitely want to see the price actually break above previous all-time highs to continue the bull run. Now, back to altcoins, because really, who cares about Bitcoin anymore? It moves way too freaking slow. Well, if we take a look at altcoins, what are we doing? We are using token metrics, and on here we go to data, indices, and then we go trader weekly low cap on KuCoin. Now, why KuCoin? Because you can find hidden gems before they're listed everywhere else, and the trading fees are minimal compared with places like Uniswap. So you can find them on KuCoin. There's a link for KuCoin, also a discounted link for token metrics down in the description. You can check them out, see if they work for you. Now, when we do that, each week it gives us a different portfolio of 5 altcoins to buy. These 5 altcoins outpace the general market and are intended to outpace Bitcoin, but have been outpacing the general market for the past month or so. We've been doing this. We're up about 10% over just buying like an index fund of the market. So far we're doing good. And I have found historically, this past month when I started this was the worst time to start it. I have found that Token Metrics does good during bear cycles, but when the market is exploding, it does exceptional. Token Metrics picked out Matic, it picked out Helium, it picked out Chili's. So like, this stuff works. You'll definitely want to check it out. So the 5 altcoins you must buy this week to turn $1,000 into $10,000. First one, A-Chain, building a boundless blockchain reality. A-Chain is a public blockchain platform that enables developers of all levels to issue tokens, create smart contracts, build decentralized applications and blockchain systems. A-Chain is committed to building a global blockchain network for information exchange and value transactions. So this one right now is at just north of 1 cent. And if we take a look on the price predictions here, we can see, well, for this week, it thinks it's at just north of 1 cent. We'll say 11 hundredths of a cent. No, 1.1 cents. It thinks it's going to be worth about 1.5 cents. So we could see quite an increase from that. When A-Chain popped up, this just reminded me of back in January of 2018, because that's when A-Chain was popular back then, and that was like after the top of the market. So I'm hoping that's not happening again. I'm hoping A-Chain isn't the indicator of a long drawn out bear market. But that's the first one we have to take a look at. The next one is Expire, cutting edge fintech trusted by enterprises along with a staking pool. They provide software to numerous industries. The fintech products target a wide range of enterprises and industries. Below you'll find a selection of the main user types, blah, 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 blah. Now, Expire right now, 3 cents. And in terms of price predictions, we have, ooh, this one actually looks like it's going to go down. For a while, it had the price predicted being a lot higher, almost 5 cents, but that has just recently dropped. The price is at 3.1 cents. It's saying, hey, it's looking like it could be at 2.1 cents. So again, when they pick out 5 coins on token metrics, these are 5 coins that likely statistically will outpace Bitcoin. So even though this price prediction says it's going down, this one is worthwhile to hold in the portfolio. The next one actually maintained its spot in the portfolio from last week. Neblio Blockchain Simplified. Neblio is a secure distributed platform built for enterprise applications and services. Funny fact, Neblio was the first video I had that went over 100,000 views. It actually, my channel was super small. I had like less than 10,000 subscribers and the video got 200,000 views, but I think somebody sent a whole bunch of viewing bots to it, so I don't think it was legitimate. But after that was when my channel started to take off. So that's Neblio, Enterprise Blockchain Solution. And right now, trading at $1.54. Price prediction for this one would be, let's see, right now at $1.54, it's saying, hey, $1.98, so looking to go up to $2. The next one would be Strong Block. Easily create blockchain nodes, earn rewards. I actually think this one's a really great idea. You know, a lot of the problems with computers nowadays is they just aren't patched. They aren't maintained. They aren't up to date. And the same thing can happen with nodes in a blockchain. If they're not validating their nodes, if they're not updating the software, keeping it up to date, well, then could fall behind, could get somewhat insecure. But Strong Block actually rewards nodes for staying up to date, which is pretty awesome. I think that's a great idea. Now, price $133.35, and if we take a look at price predictions, we have down here, it's saying, hey, probably about $150. So this one as well, go up a little bit there. Now, the last one out of 5 would be Upbots. Upbots has been on here previously, just like Strong Block has been on here previously, although we weren't in it last week. This is an all-in-one trading ecosystem for the modern trader. Trade crypto, DeFi, Forex, and commodities manually or with bots on a brand new trading platform built from the ground up on the blockchain by traders. And if we take a look at Upbots right now at 4.3 cents, price prediction for this one would be, well, 5.3 cents, so up almost 20%. So those would be the 5 for this week. A-Chain, Expire, Neblio, Strong Block, and Upbots. Now, let's take a look and see how we've been doing with these, because like I said, guys, this past week, we did 33% better than the market. Overall, we've done 10% better than the market. So far, even in probably, arguably, the shittiest month of the bull run, not arguably, demonstrably, the worst month of the bull run, we've outpaced the market by 10%. So that's actually really good. So if we take a look, we started with $1,000. First week went up to 1,132. Then market started crashing down to 907, down to 689. Now back up to 776. Actually, we're up 12.6% this week. The total market itself only up 9.4%. So I would say we're doing actually really good compared to the market. I do apologize for a little bit of a delay of this video. Usually I do these Tuesday, but there was a whole bunch of stuff happening and I just kind of got lost. So anyways, these are the picks for this week. A-Chain, Expire, Neblio, Strong, Upbots. And again, I just kind of spread the portfolio out about 20% in each of them. However, if you do have token metrics and you take a look at the portfolios, they actually give you a percentage of it that they would recommend holding, like 18% A-Chain, 16.8% Expire, 18.22% Neblio, 20.97% Strong, 25.55% Upbots. And there's a whole bunch of other cool stuff that you can do with token metrics. The indices are fun. I love the ratings for finding totally undervalued altcoins. And if you want to know what I'm talking about, you can check out this video right here. But that is all for today, guys. Come and join us over on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Enter to win one of these shirts. Like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I will catch you later. Have a good one. Peace.